Welcome to Old Christ Kitchen. Due to the situation of things going on in the society, whereby a lot of us are in the house, we can't go out as we used to. So I thought I should teach you guys how to make a good tasty snack for your family. So come with me, let's go make a tasty puff puff. I'm gonna show you the ingredients and how you can make it. Let's go. Alright, these are the ingredients. All-purpose bleached flour, sugar, and active dry yeast. You need 2 cups of the all-purpose bleached flour. You need like 3 ounces of sugar and ½ tablespoon of the active dry yeast. This comes in a bottle sometimes. You don't have to get this, but this is better if you want to make like a whole full pan of puff puff. You just need only one of these to put in it. So we're going to mix everything together in a little bowl. Alright, before you start mixing, make sure you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Hygiene is very important. So we're mixing it. We can't really measure the water, but just make sure you don't make it too soft and you don't make it too thick. Some people like to eat sugar. They like sugar in their stuff, but I don't like too much sugar. You can taste it and see if you like it. If the sugar is not enough for you, you can always add more to it. Alright, everything is mixed up, well mixed up right now. Leave it for a couple of hours, then we'll come back to it. Make sure you cover it. Alright guys, this is the way it's supposed to look like after it has risen. After you leave it for 2 to 3 hours and you cover it, it should look like this. And then it's ready. So you wash your hands again for 20 seconds to make sure your hands are clean. And then we're going to start frying it. Watch me the way I make my hand so you can make a smooth round ball. This is going to make it a smooth round ball. There we go. Make sure the oil is hot. If it's not hot, the ball is going to sit in the oil. So make sure it's very hot before you start putting it. Do it. It should come up right away. If it doesn't come up right away when you put it in the oil, that means the oil is not hot enough for you to fry. You can turn the stove down if you notice that it's getting burnt or the oil is too hot for it. Just turn the stove down a little bit. You can put your stove for medium just to have a nice looking puff puff. Ready now. I have one of my assistants here who is going to taste it and he's going to tell you how it tastes. Alright, let me tell you.
Yummy. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and please share this video. Bye for now.